In this video, we are going to see how we can switch our Roblox account to another account on a PC or Mac or Chromebook or whatever. So it's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. First of all, just go to your favorite browser and log into roblox.com and log in with your ID. But if you, let's say, want to switch to another account that you created on Roblox, what you need to do, if you have a verified profile of over 13 years old, what you can do is just click on this gear icon and you will immediately see this switch accounts option. You click on that and it will basically show you the option to either add an account, or if you have already logged in before as well, you can simply switch the account from here. But if your profile is not verified over the 13 years of age and you have not performed the age verification, you will not get this switch accounts option right here. So for that, you need to log out first, and then you will log in with the different account. You just enter the username or email and the password to log in. And once you do that, you simply hit login. And it might ask you for the mobile verification or other verification from your mobile. Now, this is all about the browser on how we can switch in both ways if you are verified or not. But let's say that you want to do the same on the Roblox application. Here's how you can do it. You simply click on this 3 dots on the left hand side which says more. You click on that, and from here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see this log out option. You click on that, and from here you just get this sign in screen. Unfortunately, there is no switch accounts option altogether in the Roblox application. So you click on the sign in, you can email me one-time code, and that's how you can quickly log into the other account. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.